how to transfer your WhatsApp chats from one phone to another. If you're trying to change phone or you're trying to log into another phone, then this is how you can transfer your chats. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on post notification for future contents. Alright, let's begin. First, you have to go to your WhatsApp settings. So I'm here on my settings right now. And from here, you want to go to this chat section right here. There are actually two methods to transfer your chats. The first one, you can just tap on this transfer chats option, and from here you can just follow these instructions. And after you do that, your chats will be transferred to the device that you want. And the second method, the easier method, is you again go to your chat section. Here you can see the option for chat backup. Just tap on it and tap on this backup option right here. And once you do that, your chats will be backed up to your Google account and you can easily recover all of your chats. So if you log into another phone, you can just recover all of your backed up chats and you'll be good to go. And that's how you can easily transfer WhatsApp chats from one phone to another. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.